Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about a very interesting candlestick pattern, spinning top. Unlike the Marubozu candlestick pattern, it does not give any exact entry or exit point, but it gives some really useful information like the market condition and help you out to take the right deal position in the market. If you want to know how, then watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. And if you are hear this voice for the first time, don't forget to press that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get interesting finance and share market videos. Now just take a look to the spinning top candlestick. What observations do we make from this candlestick? There are two main observations, small real body and similar upper and lower shadow. Now let's understand why a spinning top form in a chart. First take a look to its small real body. Small real body means the open and close price are close to each other. So small movement means market participants are not sure about the movement. Like the other candles, it has two colors, greens and red. But here color is that not much important. Means no matter the candle is green or red, indicates the same thing. Now move to its upper wick. The upper shadow or wick is connected to the real body and high price. But do you know why upper shadow forms? When the bulls of the market take the price to the higher levels, but the bears again take down the price, then an upper shadow form. So this wick tells us that bulls of the market can't hold the price to the higher levels. In the similar way, the lower shadow tells bears can't hold the price to the lower levels. Now let's think about the spinning top as a whole. Neither the bulls nor the bears can able to hold their position in the market. So it shows an uncertainty in the market. Now this is time for giving you the answer of a very important question, that what you have to do in this time. In general, spinning top indicates a trend reversal. Means if a bullish trend is continuing and a spinning top form, be aware, because maybe this trend is going to end soon and a bearish trend begins. Same thing happened for the bearish trend too. I will give you some real life examples. Look at this chart. After a long bullish trend, it would form a spinning top and then it moves to lower levels. Now take a look in this chart. After forming a bearish trend, it forms a spinning top and trend reversal is happen. But this trend reversal is not happens for all the time. Sometimes after a long bullish trend, it shows uncertainty for few days or weeks and again start moving to higher levels. So look at the chart carefully before making any trading decision. I hope now I am able to explain you what is a spinning top candle and its different real life scenarios. If you have any additional query, please let me know in the comments. In our upcoming video, we dig deep in another two famous candles, paper umbrella and hammer. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.